4,700 pages of law in this country.
Yeah.
As an owner, you should know it if you're going to travel all over Australia.
Yeah.
4,700.
Yeah.
Who knows it? None.
Yeah. Well, I do, and you do, right? So that's two, right?
But drivers don't have to know. Well, no, that's wrong. Drivers probably need to know about $3,500.
Well, they should be made. They should be made aware of their rights and responsibilities, which the contract in Road Safety Remuneration Order Number 1 gave drivers was their rights and responsibilities.
It protected drivers.
It protected them, but also made them aware of their rights and responsibilities. Remember?
That's right.
That's right.
As I explained to you before, I am an authorised officer under the Heavy Vehicle National Law. I'll refer to that as the law. Under that law, I have the power to direct responsible persons for heavy vehicles to give me information about heavy vehicle and its load. Do you understand that?
Yes.
I believe you have a role or responsibility associated with road transport, and as such are a responsible person as defined under the law. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you agree that prior to the interview I showed you a copy of Section 570 of the law and asked you to read it?
Yes.
Okay, is this the copy I showed you?
Yes.
Do you mind signing and dating what?
Date is the
30th of June.
30th of June. Do you understand the intent of that section of law?
Yes.
Do you agree I said it is an offence to fail to comply with my direction?
Yes.
Do you agree I said it's an offence to provide me with false or misleading information?
Yes.
Do you agree that prior to the interview I showed you a copy of Section 588 of the law and asked you to read it?
Yes.
Is this the copy that I showed you?
Yes.
Would you sign and date the bottom, please? Do you understand this Section 588?
Yes.
Do you agree I explained to you you can object to giving me information but you're still required to give it?
Yes.
Do you agree I said there is an exemption to that which if you provide false or misleading information?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, I missed one. Do you agree I said if you object to answering my questions, any information you provide can't be used against you personally?
Yes.
Okay. Do you agree I said there is an exemption to that in which you provide false or misleading information?
Yes.
Do you agree that prior to the interview I told you that my questions and any answers you give will be electronically recorded on DVD as the interview takes place?
Yes.
Did you then agree to be electronically interviewed?
Yes.
Do you agree that prior to the interview I said you'd be provided with a DVD copy of the recorded interview?
No, you didn't tell me that, but you have now.
Okay. Do you agree that I said a DVD copy of the interview will be sealed in your presence?
Yes.
Do you agree that prior to this interview you gave Investigator Nolan your driver's licence and you recorded those licence details in his notebook?
Yes.
Would you read aloud the details he has recorded in his notebook?
Recorded in notebook N061072 on page 43.
Compare it against your
Can you
licence.
just read out the bottom out aloud, please?
Stephen John Corcoran, date of birth 4th of the 8th, 1976, MC class, 8th the 8th, 19 expiry, and my address. Well, it doesn't have my license number on there.
Recorded those correctly? That one correctly, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Would you sign it and date on the bottom of that as well? Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, please remember for me to take it back. Just please ask. I'm now directing you under Section 570 of the law to provide me information about heavy vehicles and their loads. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you object to providing me information?
No. Well, yes, I do.
Okay, I note your objection and it will apply to all the questions I ask you in this interview. However, you're still required to provide the information. Do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you. That's the breakdown stuff.
Okay, gentlemen, I will now leave the interview. It is my understanding that he has objected to giving answers to the questions. You will direct him to answer those questions, and he has the protection now of every question you ask under section 588. Is that correct?
That's correct.
It's under section 570, we're asking them, but the protection is under 588.
Yeah.
That's all right. Thank you. I am satisfied with that. This interview will go for several hours, I assume.
Hopefully not that long, but
I don't see any necessity for me to charge Mr. Corcoran. Whilst he has that protection, please don't ask him any further questions without that protection. Do I have your assurance?
yes,
Thank you,
indeed.
Steve? Thank you.
Count the time now is
37.
37.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Knoll.
you.
Thank you. Chair, I'll shut this door.
Thank you very much.